So boys, we have finished with 2-digit numbers, that is without carryover. Now we will start with 3-digit, that is also without carryover. Near the margin, again I am telling you, leave one line empty, then write H, the next square T, and the next square O. 100, tens and ones. Our number is 301 multiplied by 4. Then draw a line here like this. 301 multiplied by 4. So we will start from the one side. 4 ones are. If you are multiplying with 1, suppose 4 ones are the same number itself, that is 4 itself. Okay. So 4, we will say the table first. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4. So our answer is 4. Now we are coming, one side is over, now we are coming towards the 10 side. 4 zeros are. Here, one more thing I want to say. If you are multiplying 0 with any number, your answer is 0 itself. So here, 4 zeros are. 4 zeros are 0. Our answer is 0 here. Now, 10 side is over. Now we are coming towards the 100 side. So 4 threes. 4 threes are. So we have to say the table of 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. Last number as it is. 4 threes are 12. So our answer is 1204. Again I am telling you, start from the 1 side. After that, come to the 10 side. Then come to the 100 side. Ones, tens and 100. Like this you will finish. So boys, this is the way we have to do our multiplication sums. That is also without carryover. There is no carryover. So it is very easy to do. Only learn the tables. I hope you understood how to do multiplication sum, that is 2-digit as well as 3-digit. Please, again I am telling you, please learn the tables. Okay. So in the next class, we will do multiplication with carryover. So thank you boys. Take care.